ये है नीसा, नेशनल इंडस्ट्रियल सिक्योरिटी एकेडमी, जहां सेंट्रल इंडस्ट्रियल सिक्योरिटी फोर्स सीआईएसएफ के राजपत्रित एवं अधीनस्थ अधिकारियों को ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। देश की आंतरिक एवं आर्थिक सुरक्षा को मजबूत बनाए रखने के लिए, उसकी बेहतरी के लिए प्रशिक्षण द्वारा ये सभी एक सांचे में ढाले जाते हैं। NISA is a center of excellence recognized by the Government of India in 1999.
जनरल सलाम सलाम
The trainees here undergo rigorous training of about 12 months, after which they become eligible to cross this Antim Pag after their passing out parade, which is the first step in the service of the nation. आइए रूबरू होते हैं उनके सफर से, उनके संघर्षों से एवं स्वयं नीसा से। फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग हर फोर्स की ट्रेनिंग की रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है, जिसमें एक ट्रेनी की शारीरिक और मानसिक क्षमता को निखारा जाता है। ये ट्रेनिंग न केवल हमारी फिटनेस बनाए रखती है, बल्कि आत्मविश्वास और मानसिक दृढ़ता को भी मजबूत करती है।
You can see behind me all the officer trainees doing their morning routine of PT, which has actually built their personality. PT instills discipline, resilience, endurance, and self-confidence among the trainees.
The muscles break, regenerate, and then what remains is strength. Strength that you acquire by hours and hours of hard work. Strength that protects the pillars of this nation.
With the mindset of very rigorous training, and we were treated in a similar way here.
From an unorganized, chaotic civilian to an organized soldier, the life has been very beautifully challenging this last 1 year.
Drill is the thing which imbibes initial is discipline in the personnel who is about to serve in the forces. Secondly, drill also improves your personality. So personality improvement, discipline are the important things which comes with drill. Guard, salute! Platoon! आगे बढ़ेगा! दाहिने मुड़! Surely it's very proud moment when your teams, when your teammates, when your party, when your troops are working in coherence. In forces there's nothing like segregation of work. You have to do everything which your male counterparts are doing. So this is the very thing, this is the motivation I would say to join forces for me.
First of all, it is very tough when I came here earlier. So for some 2-3 weeks, it was very tough to get in habit of the tough schedule of the academy. But with time, we learned it.
आउटडोर क्लासेस के बाद समय होता है इंडोर क्लासेस का। यहाँ पर ट्रेनीज को CISF एक्ट एंड रूल्स, मेजर एंड माइनर एक्ट्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, इंडस्ट्रियल सिक्योरिटी, ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट जैसे विभिन्न विषयों की सिखलाई दी जाती है। Public speaking is an important component of indoor classes. This is my rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. My rifle is my best friend. It is my life. I must master it as I must master my life. My rifle without me is useless. Without my rifle, I am useless. I must shoot straighter than my enemy who is trying to kill me. I must shoot him before he shoots me. My rifle is human, even as I, because it is my life. Thus, I will learn it as a brother. I will learn its weaknesses, its strength, its parts and its accessories. I will guard it against the ravages of weather and damage as I will ever guard my legs, my arms, my eyes and my heart against damage. We will become part of each other. Before God, I swear this creed. My rifle and myself are the defenders of my country. I am a soldier. I serve with pride, live by chance, and shoot with precision. Firing is the essence of our weapons training. We put our learnings into practice as bullets leave our barrels and hit the target. In this fast changing world with growing security threats, it is necessary to keep yourself a few steps ahead. And this is exactly what crisis response team training ensures that the officers are equipped with.
As we say, the uniform doesn't differentiate between a man or a woman. Who are we to differentiate?
With the growing mandate of CISF in urban installations like airports, parliament, metro, government buildings, etc., there is a need to train the CISF soldiers in urban warfare and tactics, and CRT provides a mold for the same.
Be it physical training or weapon training or drill, we're treated equally as boys.
It is intense, sometimes brutal. You lose count of steps, your body is tired, you want to catch a breath, yet you keep going. Because a contingency never comes with a warning. ग्रेहाउंड्स अटैचमेंट 7 दिनों की जंगल कैंप एक्सरसाइज है जो ट्रेनीज तेलंगाना की एलीट एंटी नक्सल फोर्स ग्रेहाउंड्स के साथ करते हैं। इन 7 दिनों में ट्रेनीज को जंगल सर्वाइवल और एंटी नक्सल टैक्टिक्स की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। टू एक्लिमेटाइज ट्रेनीज ऑफ रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस, रेगुलर रोड रनिंग एंड रूट मार्चेस आर कंडक्टेड आउटसाइड द नीसा कैंपस। This enhances trainees' physical endurance, situational awareness, and adaptability to practical challenges. आफ्टर एन एग्जॉस्टिंग डे एट ट्रेनिंग वक्त होता है ट्रेनीज के गेम्स पीरियड का। तूफानों में दीप जलाकर, संघर्षों में विजय सजाकर, जिसने ऊंचा किया है अपना माथा, सीआईएसएफ की ये गौरव गाथा। जिस बल की ताकत के आगे शत्रु कोई टिके नहीं, संरक्षण की राहों से जिस बल के पग हैं डिगे नहीं, राष्ट्र सुरक्षा का प्रण लेके जो है बढ़ता जाता, सीआईएसएफ की ये गौरव गाथा, सीआईएसएफ की ये गौरव गाथा।